Tribe. I'm currently in my van in Yucca Valley, California. I just wanted to show you my very last apartment that I ever lived in. It's in downtown Salt Lake City. I lived there in 2016 and I moved out October 2016. So I've been living in my minivan or a Prius or something else since then. But I'm really proud of the design that I did and I really would like to share it with you, the before and after, so I hope you enjoy it. And if you haven't seen my minivan tour, I can put a link up here or you can check it out at link in the description box. Enjoy! Okay, let's take a tour of my apartment that is now finished. Here's my bedroom. Here's my master bedroom. Here's where I put all my clothes. This is an acrylic black and white painting that I did of aspen trees. Just one last look. The wall panel that I painted. This bed is a pallet bed that actually is made of reclaimed 4x4s. I love it.
In the background you can see the pallet that I screwed to a large block for the mirror frame. For the headboard, I found these bamboo slats wholesale from a cutting board making company, and then I pinned it on with these 2x4s. These solid oak boards cantilever through the bamboo slats. The colors were inspired by a trip to Hawaii where I saw this rock in these colors, and that's the colors I chose for my bedding, as well as these soundboards that I used as the backdrop because I couldn't actually paint the walls of this apartment. The soundboards, of course, doubled as sound deadening for the neighbors next door. You can see here how I pulled the colors from the pillowcases to look like the ocean. Here my dad is helping me pin them up onto the wall. I still wasn't confident yet in using a drill. This is where I really cut my teeth on getting comfortable with power tools. Here's my brother helping me hang the 1955 mid-century modern metal cabinets. Then I used another pallet as a stand for the mirror. I did hang this wood block shelf on my own. And here is my fabulous new deck. Here's my deck. This is my night blooming jasmine. This other rug I actually dug up from a neighbor's dumpster. I dug up this snake grass from City Creek growing out of the cinder blocks. This is what I call my sunroom. It's got a south window, a west window, and a north-facing window. And then here is my meditation room where my son is. My day bed with my books and my yoga mat. And the planter box I built. And then the coolest thing
these beach rocks that I've collected over the years.
I just pulled off all that nasty fabric on the box frame. If you recall from the before, this was just an old beige carpet in here. So I laid down 2 4x8 pieces of masonite and cut up some green grassy shag throw from IKEA. Now I can use a green yoga mat on the masonite platform. Then I just added river rocks and the beige carpet in between. The planter box is more of a facade and only has 3 sides and leans up against the wall. I lined it with plastic and added some layers and levels. To save money, I just bought 1 thing of snake grass and 1 thing of bird of paradise and broke up the roots and divided them into pots, and then added a humidifier into the planter. For the fountain, I found this chunk of lava rock. If you found this inspirational, please like and share. The lava rock had natural holes in it for me to run the hose from the pump.
Here's my dining room. And then here's my living room. The coffee table made out of salvaged wood. I got that couch for free and the workbench that I built.
I added the shelf below it, and my brother helped me add the bamboo to the top of this workbench.
One of my paintings. This is my workspace. My kitchen. And then my newest painting. I kind of describe the entire design concept as Zen and surfing.
I used a hula hoop to help me make the circle for the sacral chakra. This mid-century modern piece I found used for 60 bucks. I actually used some turmeric in the paint.
And my really awesome bathroom with this very cool blue tile. Natural light. And here's my bathroom. Turkish cotton towels. Bed. One of my other paintings. And it just leads back into the bedroom.
My channel is about feeling like a kid again, which is how I tap into my imagination and come up with these inspired designs. If you'd like to see more of them, please subscribe and be part of my tribe. Hey, I'd like to keep inspiring people to feel like a kid again. I really want to keep creating these videos to inspire people to follow their fun. So if every one of my subscribers donated just $1 per month, that would be more than enough money for me to keep creating these videos. Thank you so much for your support, Soul Tribe.